Indian crested porcupine waddles out, quills clacking together. The porcupine, a walking fortress of 3,000 spears. Cobra slithers across the path, tongue flicking. A silent shadow crosses its path, armed with lethal venom.
The snake senses a large presence, but it does not see skin.
The first warning, a rhythmic stomp to signal a lack of fear.
North American porcupine turns its back to the western diamondback rattlesnake, raising its quills.
King Cobra lunges at the Cape porcupine's rear section. The strike is made. The king cobra seeks soft flesh but finds bone.
Cobra pulls back, shaking its head in confusion.
The Indian porcupine spins rapidly, keeping the quills toward the foe. Agility in armor. The Indian porcupine is surprisingly fast on its feet.
Cobra strikes again, this time hitting a clump of quills. A direct hit. But for the cobra, this is a disaster.
Detached. The porcupine's quills stay behind to do their work. Detached. The porcupine's quills stay behind to do their work.
The backward charge. The porcupine uses its weight to ram. The backward charge. The porcupine uses its weight to ram.
Survival through defense. The fortress remains unbreached. Survival through defense. The fortress remains unbreached. Survival through defense. The fortress remains unbreached. Porcupine continues foraging for roots as if nothing happened. The calm after the storm. Life in the savannah goes on. Spikes versus Venom. In this battle, the shield was the sword.
For the Cobra, the battle isn't over. The quills are a ticking clock.
Unfazed, the survivor returns to the search for energy. The porcupine is never truly alone. Eyes are always watching.
Constant readiness. The shield is always a second away. Even in the dark, the thick quills act as insulation.
Porcupine finds a salt lick and begins to gnaw, gritty rasping. Essential minerals help maintain the strength of its quills.
Close-up of the porcupine's eyes, glinting in the dark. Small but alert eyes, specialized for detecting movement.
Cobra's venom glands are shown swelling slightly. Secondary infection. A common result of a failed porcupine hunt.
A heavy, confident gait. It fears almost nothing in this field.
The hyena knows the spike tax. It is too high a price to pay.
Cobra manages to snap one quill off, leaving the tip inside. A small victory, but the infection-prone tip remains buried. Cobra manages to snap one quill off, leaving the tip inside. A small victory, but the infection-prone tip remains buried.
The cobra coils into a tight ball, its head hidden. A silent witness to the war between spikes and venom. Below the surface, the porcupine's fortress extends for meters.
The warrior maintains its weapons, ensuring every quill is loose.
The ultimate predator of the savanna is tempted, but cautious.
Porcupine at the entrance, rattling quills like a snare drum, the stay away signal. Even a leopard knows this sound means pain.
The cost-benefit analysis of nature favors the spiked shield.
Chemical boundaries to warn off intruders before the quills come out.
In its weakened state, the cobra has become the prey. In its weakened state, the cobra has become the prey.
Porcupine pups playing fighting, mimicking the backward ram. Learning the art of the spike. Survival is a practiced skill.
Soft fur, guard hairs, and lethal spears. A triple-layered defense.
A shadow of its former self. The spike tax has been collected.
The guardian of the spikes prepares for another night.
Porcupine emerges from the burrow, shaking its quills. Night falls again, and the armored sentinel returns to its beat.
The cobra's journey ends. A reminder that in the wild, nature never wastes.
A statue of survival against the rising dawn.
Indian porcupine finds a fallen acacia branch and strips the bark. Powerful jaws and sharp teeth make short work of the toughest wood.
Two of the world's bravest creatures meet. They choose mutual respect. Two of the world's bravest creatures meet. They choose mutual respect.
porcupine mother nudges her pups toward a water source. Soft grunting, education through action. The pups learn the safest paths.
A Malayan porcupine's incredible sense of smell. Sniffing pulse. They can detect a bulb buried 6 inches deep in the dry earth.
A Malayan porcupine's incredible sense of smell. Sniffing pulse. They can detect a bulb buried 6 inches deep in the dry earth.
Strength in numbers. Shielded by 1,000 spears.
Even from the sky, the fortress is clearly visible and avoided.
The instrument of warning must be kept in perfect condition.
The Spike King of the Savannah moves on to the next field.
Lethal tools that met their match in the ancient armor of a rodent.
Venom is fast, but the shield is absolute.
In a world of teeth and claws, the porcupine is untouchable. As the sun sets, the night's most unusual warrior emerges.
Preserving the wild ensures these ancient battles continue.
Where nature's deadliest secrets are revealed.